Nick's gonna have fun at 3 o'clock.
He called me up. I gave him the weather report. I think he canceled the trip. I told him I had 35 or 40 coming over the roof right now from the Spanish Bay. He said, I gotta call Todd. I don't know why anybody would come out right now. I'm gonna get some more of it. Oh, I got to take him up here and wash them off. I would say it's blowing 45 right now, close to 50.
I gotta try to park this thing on one motor. It's unbelievable.
Really? Cut it wide, man. Don't be hugging the shoreline.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep this thing going straight here.
That's what's, well, the good thing is, you get it spun around, it's going to blow you right onto the pier there, you know? I mean, it's whistling Dixie here right now. I mean, it's blowing over 40 here, easy. Of course, good trim.
That's what it says.
Is it still running?
Oh no, I lost it. I lost port engine.
I plugged the fuel filter the other day. Call John Boy for advice. I don't know.
Come meet me at the dock there.
Hey, we'll cut it wide so in case something else goes wrong, nobody's got time to get a rope on you.
You have an anemometer on board, Dookie?
No, I don't need an anemometer. That's for beginners. I estimate it over. So if I say it's blowing 50, it's probably blowing at least that or more.
Wow.
I mean, it's...
Yeah, of all the days, Timmy, good luck landing that big girl. I'm gonna call John Boy when I get to Lover's Point and get a weather update.